Hello, and welcome to the Vlogging Pod. Today, we confront a situation that tests the very fabric of our constitutional democracy. The Supreme Court issued a directive to the executive branch to facilitate the return of an American citizen, Kilmar Garcia, who was wrongfully deported to El Salvador. Despite this clear mandate, the administration has not taken effective action to comply. Legal experts concern over this defiance, warning that such disregard for judicial authority risks triggering a constitutional crisis. The administration contends that facilitate merely requires removing domestic barriers, not actively securing Garcia's return from El Salvador. However, this interpretation has not led to Garcia's release, raising questions about the effectiveness of judicial oversight when the executive branch chooses noncompliance. This situation underscores a broader concern. The balance of power among our government's branches. The judiciary relies on the executive to enforce its rulings. When the executive branch resists, the court's authority is undermined. Legal scholars suggest that courts can initiate contempt proceedings, imposing fines or other measures to compel compliance. Yet enforcement becomes challenging when the executive agencies control the mechanism of enforcement. Adding complexity, the Supreme Court recently ruled that the presidents have absolute immunity for official acts and presumptive immunity for other official actions, but no immunity for unofficial acts. This decision complicates efforts to hold the executive accountable, especially when distinguishing between official and unofficial conduct becomes contentious. The refusal to act on the court's directive regarding Garcia's return exemplifies a troubling trend. The erosion of judiciary authority and the potential for the executive overreach. As we navigate these challenges, the fundamental question remains: how do we ensure that no branch of government operates above the law? Today's sources for our podcast come from Axios, The New Yorker, Vox, The Washington Post, CBS News, AP News, The Verge, American Civil Liberties Union, Legal News Feed, The Daily Caller, Time, Juris News. Thank you for listening. Until next time, bye-bye for now.